see God's goodness from the heart of our home, the kitchen. Kitchen for me is the most important part of the home. This is where we prepare and cook our dish, where we eat our food and wash the dirty dishes. Imagine the aroma of the grilled banana or any food cooked or baked in the kitchen. Without doubt, the cook in this kitchen doesn't scrimp on ingredients. Your nose tells you, and your eyes and your taste buds will shout it out loud. As I grow in God, my thoughts, words, and actions take on the fragrance of goodness and kindness, wisdom and discernment. Others begin to see something about me that delights their eyes, like my attentiveness to their needs and my consideration of their feelings. Through me, they taste the sweetness of what it means to follow God in real and practical ways. And then they ask about the ingredients. What makes me so attractively different, so delightfully refreshing? What makes me me? And my answer is, His Spirit is working in the kitchen of my heart. He uses only the ingredients and He never screams. Living with Him is like the banquet of a lifetime, with plenty of goodness to share. God uses us to make the knowledge about Christ spread everywhere like a sweet fragrance. Hello everyone, I would like to give you a quick update. We recently moved to our new home, the dream house of my sister, and since she is working abroad, I will be the one taking care of her home and help her design and decorate the interior of this house. So I will just let you enjoy and leave you the makeover of the kitchen. In 2 Corinthians chapter 2 verse 14, but thank God, He has made us His captives and continues to lead us along in Christ's triumphal procession. Now He uses us to spread the knowledge of Christ everywhere, like a sweet perfume. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in my next video.